Welcome to Amazing Fact.
In an age brimming with digital innovations and advancements, we serve as your eye-opening window to the marvels of the future. We are here, delivering you the most astounding facts that will defy your understanding of how the world operates. Our fun facts are tailored to pique your interest and leave you begging for more. We delve into the depths of the vast sea of knowledge and bring you gems from the world of AI innovations. Artificial intelligence, a term that was once a figment of cinematic imagination, is now transforming our lives, and we make sure you stay updated about its every stride. We dive into AI's intricacies and simplify them for your understanding, breaking down complex technology into easy-to-understand content. Whether it's the latest development in machine learning or the newest chatbot in town, we cover it all. Our channel is your one-stop shop for everything futuristic. We relentlessly hunt for emerging trends in technology, be it robotics, space exploration, biotechnology, or renewable energy. We offer insights about what's paving the way towards the future. We believe that knowledge of the future begins with curiosity and understanding of the present. Hence, we strive to keep our content fresh, relevant, and above all, enlightening. We understand how fast-paced the world is becoming, and we make it our mission to equip you with insights that will help you brace for what's coming. With us, you will be the first to know about groundbreaking tech advancements long before they become mainstream. We promise to keep you informed, enlightened, and entertained with our high-quality content. And we are more than just a tech info channel. We believe in creating a community of like-minded individuals who share a passion for learning and staying ahead of the curve. We encourage interactions, discussions, and debates around the topics we cover. We value your inputs and consider your feedback as our building blocks to improvement. Moreover, we don't want you to miss a thing. That's why we urge you to subscribe now. By subscribing, you're not just joining a channel, you're becoming part of a community that's enthusiastic about learning and embracing the future. So, hit that subscribe button and join us on this exciting journey. If you love exploring the future, subscribe now and stay ahead. AI growth and automation. AI and robotics are witnessing an impressive evolution, accelerating the pace of progress and reshaping the world as we know it. The exponential growth of artificial intelligence is a testament to the technological advancements of the 21st century. Increasingly, AI is being integrated into systems, enabling them to perform tasks that were once exclusively within the human domain. One profound of this integration is the self-checkout systems commonly found in supermarkets and grocery stores. These systems, powered by AI, have revolutionized the retail industry by streamlining the checkout process, reducing human labor, and providing customers with a quick and convenient shopping experience. However, the impact of AI isn't just confined. The automotive industry has also seen a significant transformation with the introduction of Tesla's self-driving cars. By utilizing sophisticated AI algorithms, these vehicles can navigate roads independently, revolutionizing our concept of transportation. Perhaps the most intimate interaction we have with AI is through AI assistants like Siri and Alexa. With their ability to understand and respond to voice commands, these AI-powered assistants have become integral parts of our daily lives: music, setting reminders, answering queries, and so much more. AI replacing jobs. The advent of AI has also had significant implications for the job market. Certain sectors, such as factories, call centers, and data entry, have already seen a considerable reduction in human labor due to AI. Robots and systems, far more efficient and less prone to error than their human counterparts, have taken over these sectors, leading to job displacement. Furthermore, AI is making inroads into the creative industry. Artists, writers, and musicians are finding their work affected by AI. Whether it's AI-produced paintings that rival human artistry, AI-written articles that mimic human language, or AI-composed music that captures the nuances of human emotion, the impact of AI on creative careers is undeniable. AI and human coexistence. Despite threats AI poses to job security, there are certain areas where AI cannot replace humans. Jobs requiring emotional intelligence and creativity, for instance, are still largely immune to AI disruption. The unique human ability to comprehend and connect emotions, to empathize and sympathize, is something AI is yet to replicate. Moreover, the future isn't just about AI replacing humans, it's about AI and humans collaborating. By combining human intuition with AI's computational power, we can accomplish tasks more efficiently and innovatively, unleashing a new era of progress and prosperity. Future solutions and adaptation. In an increasingly AI-dominated world, upskilling becomes crucial. Learning AI-friendly skills, individuals can ensure their relevance in the job market. Moreover, AI isn't just taking away jobs, it's also creating new ones. Roles such as AI engineers, robot trainers, and digital artists are emerging, providing new opportunities to those willing to adapt. Indeed, thought leaders like Elon Musk and Bill Gates have pondered the role in our future. They recognize that while AI presents challenges, it also offers unprecedented opportunities. They understand that the only way forward is to embrace AI, adapt to it, and learn to coexist with it. AI was thinking about, so, will AI take over all jobs? Not entirely. However, the world as we know it is in a constant state of evolution. The pace of change is staggering, and it's not showing signs of slowing down. In the blink of an eye, we travel from the dawn of man to the age of steam, from the Industrial Revolution to the digital era. Yet, it's not enough to simply acknowledge this rapid progression. We need to adapt. We need to evolve, show a sprawling, futuristic city, bristling with towering skyscrapers and twinkling lights. Delve into the heart of it, revealing people working in harmony with AI robots. They are not in conflict. Rather, they complement each other, creating a perfect symphony of human intuition and machine efficiency. The rise of artificial intelligence brings with it a myriad of questions. What roles will AI play in our future society? Will they be our helpers or our replacements? Will they transform our work or make it obsolete? Every person, every job, every industry could be impacted. From farming to finance, from healthcare to hospitality, no sector is immune to this wave of technological advancement. So, what's your stance on this imminent transformation? What do you think? Will AI replace your job? We're excited to hear your insights. Comment below and let's venture into this discussion together. Enjoying the video? Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. We know you're interested in what's going on in the world of technology, and we're here to keep you informed. Subscription to our channel means you'll be part of a community that shares your interest in AI, tech advancements, and the future of our digitized world. By subscribing, you don't miss out on any of our informative and engagement-driven content. You're not just subscribing to a channel, you're joining a movement of tech enthusiasts, futurists, and people who believe in the transformative power of AI. We constantly update our content, bringing you the latest news, trends, and breakthroughs in the tech world. Our team of experts and enthusiasts work tirelessly to ensure that you stay at the cutting edge of technology. Hit that subscribe button now. We know you're curious about what the future holds, and we're just as excited to explore it with you. AI is changing the world. Stay ahead, subscribe, and join the journey. We're eager to you on board this ride into the future, navigating the rapid changes in technology and understanding together how AI is shaping our lives. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to never miss an update. We promise to keep you informed, engaged, and part of a thriving community of tech enthusiasts. Let's embark on this journey together.